Are you considering switching to a vegan lifestyle but concerned about missing out on your favorite cheesy snacks? Well, fear not. Vegan cheese is a tasty and nutritious alternative that can be incorporated into a healthy diet. In this video, we will explore the top 5 health benefits of vegan cheese and answer the question, is it really healthy? Vegan cheese is typically made from plant-based ingredients that are naturally low in saturated fats. This means that it can help to lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Many vegan cheese options are fortified with essential vitamins and minerals, such as calcium, vitamin B12, and vitamin D, which are crucial for overall health and well-being. Traditional dairy cheese can be difficult for some people to digest due to lactose intolerance. Vegan cheese, on the other hand, is made without dairy, making it a great option for those with digestive issues. Some studies have suggested that a plant-based diet, which includes vegan cheese, can lower the risk of certain cancers, such as colon and breast cancer. Lastly, choosing vegan cheese over traditional dairy cheese is better for the environment, as it reduces the demand for animal products and the environmental impact that comes with it. So, there you have it, the top 5 health benefits of vegan cheese. Not only is it a delicious alternative to traditional dairy cheese, but it's also better for your health and the environment. So, go ahead and give it a try. Thank you for watching.